Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a cute baby seal. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to start by drawing the baby seal's head shape. And it's a big curved line, almost like a circle, but it's more of an oval shape, up and around and over. Take your time. You can always pause the video if you need more time. And we're not going to close it off. We're going to stop right about there. So that's the top of the seal's head here. And now let's draw the face in the middle before we do the body. So right here, we're going to draw one of the eyes, and it's just a circle like this. And let's draw another circle on this side for the other eye. And now let's do some highlights in there. So it's a smaller circle inside of the larger circle. And maybe we'll do one other smaller one like that. And let's color those in black. Okay, now let's do the nose, and the nose is going to be in between the two eyes, and it's kind of like an oval, but it has a slight point to it. So let's start here, and we're going to wrap it around and go down, then back up, and then wrap it around like that. And let's make a little circle for a highlight and color it in. Actually, we'll just color it in all black. It'll look better. Okay, now let's do a smiley muzzle. So it's just a curved line down like this and up, and a curved line down and up like that. He's a happy seal. Okay, and seals have whiskers, so let's draw some whiskers. So we'll do a whisker here and a whisker here, and we'll do a whisker here and here. Okay, now let's draw the body on the seal. So starting over here on the side of the head, we're going to do a curved line down like this, and we're going to stop right about there. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So right about here, a curved line down like this, and then stop. Okay, now let's do the front flippers of the seal. So starting right here, we're going to do kind of a straight line that curves and then wraps around and comes back up like that. And now we'll do the belly line here, and it's just a slightly curved line across. And now we'll do the other flipper, and it's just starting there, curved line, and then we come down and we wrap it around and we go straight back up like that. And let's do some lines in the flippers here like this to give it a little bit of depth. All right, and now we do the seal tail, and it's two curved lines, one like this, and then we do an overlapping curved line around. Like that. And maybe we do a little line like that, and another little line like that, or maybe one more like that to give some lines on the tail. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm going to make my seal a purplish gray color, but you can make your seal any color you want. And maybe we give it a little bit of pink cheeks here too. And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.